friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today our recipe is two easy breakfasts. One is the fast chicken curry and the other one is avocado toast. First we are going to do is avocado toast with a banana dessert and sunny side up omelette. So let's get started with that. For this we are going to slice the avocado. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. We'll take it out and we'll smash it. We'll smash it with a fork. Once it's smashed, you can use oregano or Italian spices about 1 teaspoon, then salt, 1/4 teaspoon. We mix it all together really well. Then we are going to add dry fruits powder, which is almond, cashews and walnut. You can actually roast this and store it in fridge for about 2 weeks. It can stay and can be used for breakfast anytime. Now we'll take 2 slices of bread and we are going to add the smashed avocado to it. And we'll toast our bread. Add butter about 1 tablespoon. And we'll toast it. Well, our avocado toast is now ready. Next we are going to do with a banana. So we'll just slice this. It's actually king banana we are using here. You can use even normal banana. Then to the pan we'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once it's melted, we'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it, which is optional. Then we'll add the banana. We're going to toast this in a butter. It's actually like a dessert, we can say. It's very tasty and the kids will really enjoy this. Make sure you flip all the slices so that it gets equally spread. Well, our banana dessert is now ready. Don't leave out the butter. We're going to pour it. You can see it's nicely golden brown. Next we are going to do is the sunny side up egg. Then to this we are going to sprinkle some cumin powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and salt. Our sunny side up egg is now ready. Enjoy this delicious avocado toast with banana dessert. Next we are going to do a fast chicken curry. So let's get started. Need 1 tablespoon of oil. To that we'll add 10 pieces of cashews and we are going to roast it. Then add 1 big onion sliced. Then to that we'll add ginger garlic paste about 1/2 teaspoon. Then we'll add chicken about 400 grams. You can use boneless chicken that is into cubes. Then to this we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And we are going to mix it all together really well. Then we'll slice up 1 big tomato and we are going to add it. This spread it out. We're going to close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to low flame. Stir with 5 minutes of intervals. Then we'll add salt 1 teaspoon. Then we are going to add coconut milk, which is about 3 tablespoons with 1/2 cup of water. After adding coconut milk, we are going to keep it a simmer for 5 minutes. Then you can add green bell pepper or broccoli, anything as you wish. And we are going to just mix it up and we'll garnish it with some coriander leaves. Well, our fast chicken curry is now ready. Serve it with rotis, chapatis, even appam. And enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of that.